Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, Ocean Protocol also it's alive. So, first of all, let's also go back to the roots and remember that this is the all-time downtrend crypto. So it's more for the moment more risky. We'd never for the moment reach made a higher high since he opened, so we need to be aware of that. I'm not saying it's not good project. It's not. I'm not saying we should invest in it, but something we need to always consider, because this could be an A, B, C, and or it can be just a 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4. I don't know, and then when maybe after we go lower, everything is possible. So that's the long picture. When we're aware of that, now we need to be aware that long-term trend is kind of down, and the mid trend or short term is up now. So let's enjoy this trend and let's see if this short trend become a long trend, right? So here we go. So here was our first impulsive movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, completed this bigger wave 1. And we had a correction. Actually, it's a really long time I didn't, did I mark when I did it? No, so I don't know when was the last time I did my last update. So I'm going to, maybe I should write something eventually, but I'm going to put a mark here. So that's the today. Okay, so well, since we're in the RSI, as we can see, the RSI is going up. Momentum, we're totally are in the green momentum. That's great. So we said completed wave 1 in blue. We did a nice A, B, very long C correction. So actually the wave C would end here. And so if that is the case, now let me go on the maybe 1 hour, so we have more detail. So if this is the end of the wave 2, this is the beginning of a new trend for the moment. So we have, did we add 5 waves here? Yeah, okay, so I thought this was a 1, 2, 3, and this was A, B, C for the 4th, but indeed we didn't have that. So 1 and 2, that's great. This is still the 3rd, no problem. Now here, I don't know, maybe let me see here. Maybe this was a very shallow wave 4 and the wave 5 was here, or let me see now. Not that it's really important, but would be nice to have a nice accurate reading. So if this is the 3rd wave, it could be that this was the 4th, and this one was a really shallow 5th wave. Let's see if it works like that. As you can see, I don't do my chart before recording, so I'm doing it live. Well, live. And I'll say 3, 4, and 5. And this would have been the ABC correction of the wave 2. So you see, it didn't really change much, but it's just the label. So A, B, and this, it's all the C. Okay, so this should be, yes, it's the length of our first wave. So the correction, it as you can see, bounced a lot on the 0.618, which is the ideal retracement for a wave 2. And yeah, so we even wick below and went to the 0.786. So here was accumulation point, and now we are going higher. Now we went a little bit on the side, as you can see here. So I'm going to put that like that. Okay, so now we went on the side, and this should be another wave. So now this should be a bigger count. So I'm going to change the color. Can I put blue? Maybe green? There you go. Okay. So let me zoom out a little bit. So this is a wave 2. This is micro counting. So 5 wave up, we did our first light blue wave, and we did the A, B, C correction. So this is our wave 2 of light blue, and now we're doing this third wave. In light blue. Now let's go and estimate how high this third wave should go. Now maybe so zoom in a little bit. It's going to be a little bit better, more accurate. This and the wave 1, and here it's the wave 2. I could have done a better job, I think. Here. Much better. So let me try to get the first wave. All right. So bend on, guys. So no. So we should go about 58 cents for this third wave. And once again, what did I do now? God. And this fifth wave should go about 74 cents. It's if everything goes according to the plan. And let's not forget that crypto also often goes and make extension, goes below the minimum extensions. So it can go to 2, or even the third wave could just pop up and go to the 2.618. So everybody is going to go higher. But for the moment, it's great. We have nice price action. And you know what? Let me see here. Let me go back on the 4 hours maybe. Okay, so I just want to try to see if I can make okay, first of all, let me clean up a little bit the chart. We don't need those kind of things. This we don't need. And also, I think these waves now, they can go. This, nah. Fine, I can leave it. Okay, so now, just wanted to check. No, I think we passed it. Okay, because I just wanted to draw a trend and do something like that and see if we broke out from this, you know, short-term downtrend. Actually, now we did. So that's even perfect. So yeah, that's very encouraging for Ocean, and I'm very happy. So ideally, here was, as you can see, the accumulation point, and yeah, I don't know when was the last time I did a video. So for sure, here was an accumulation point. Here, maybe this box, I can erase it. So when I do green box, it's really accumulation point, and eventually I'm going to start to make resistance points, but for the moment we're not there yet. So the way do I do it? It's let me see, where was it? I think it's here. Yes, triangle. So you know, you can I like to draw like a triangle if you want, and I go like this, and even a little bit higher. And I for let's say Ethereum or Bitcoin, I never wait for the 0.5 personally. That's my strategy. And yeah, so I start to accumulate as soon as the price reach the 0.382, let's say for Bitcoin or Ethereum, because I don't want to you know, because sometimes crypto doesn't go to ideal retracement, which would be the 0.618. So I start to accumulate here a small percentage. The more it goes, the more I get into it. Maybe here I get 10%, here another 20, here another 20. So this, it's all 50% of what I wanted to invest. And after that, depending on the price action, if it goes lower, then, you know, I go all in. And then if you, I know, nice. Now people say, are you going all in? Are you crazy? Yeah, no, it's because here the risk is minimum, because if it goes below, it starts to be unlikely that it's a wave 2 anymore. And so then for sure it's not there. Man, I need to do this. I'm missing time. I am missing time to do stuff. Okay, so this would be the area where it's starts to be unlikely to be a wave 2. So, you know, if I when I invest here, you know, if it goes below let's say 30 cents, then I'm all out. So the risk is minimum, and as you can see, the gain potential is very high. So you can actually calculate that by doing where was it, long position. So let's say you buy it at this level, then you can say this is the price where I wanted to sell it, and here it's the price I want to get out, let's say 29.9. So it calculate all for you. So you're if you sell at this price, you're going to lose 7% of your investment, and if you sell here, you're making 81.3%. all right, so this is a way to calculate easily your way in and way out. Okay, so this is pretty much all for Ocean. I think talked too much. Did I did that? I think I did it. Let me do it again. Indicators. I think we're good with the indicators. Plenty of room to go, so we can reach this third wave no problem. So I would say the next key level that we need to do or bust, it's going to be this this level, our previous wave 1, if you want. This is going to be an important one, and then for sure we are going to have a little bit of price action here. And well, once again, the most important one, it's here, because it's our top of our bigger first wave. All right, so these are the 3 points we need to check, and well, once at a time, right? So our next resistance point we need to check, it's 44.81. okay, so hopefully this video wasn't too long and you was helpful. So if it was, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.